Right, so the Hey guys, welcome back to MX5 Rusteration.
In this video, we're going to finish that back inner door shut, and we're going to get that back upper inner.
So let's grab some tools.
Let's crack on.
So I'm going to jump back onto the interior today. And I'm going to work on this piece that's just above my head. Ow! I'm going to get it all welded in, ground down and finalised.
Right, so the welder's actually broken now, so we've continued on this panel, we've welded it in, but we can't go any further with this panel because we need the welder, obviously, to get the inside in. So we have tried with a Jubilee clip, which has failed, and it's currently Saturday and nowhere's open to actually get a replacement lance. So what we're going to do is we're going to move on to this corner, we're going to obviously clean it all up, fabricate all the pieces for this corner, and also we're going to move on to this inside corner here as well, get some pieces fabricated while we get a new welder. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, we've made these panels ready to be welded in. However, the weld is broken, so that'll have to wait.
We do have a replacement part on its way though, so catch us in our next LJ80 video where we'll get these panels welded in, we're going to finish that back corner and hopefully get back onto the roof.
Make sure you get us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok at Yorkshire Restoration. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, click that bell notification icon as well so it notifies you whenever we do up an upload. And with that being said, we will catch you in the next one.
You silly shot! In this video, we're going to get that back door shut and we're going to open it and we're going to open it again. And then we're going to shut it again and then we're going to open it.